So I wanted to make this video showing paint protection film in action. If you're looking for paint protection film for the first time and you're doing all of this research and absorbing all of this information, you hear a lot about how it protects things physically from rock chips and minor scrapes and rubs in the parking lot, bird poop etchings, bug etchings, all of these things, right? It has physical damage protection. In this case here in front of us, we have a C8 Corvette that we did some full front paint protection film on, so everything from the mirrors forward is covered. This is a really popular package for the C8. The owner has some damage here from a parking lot. You can see someone rubbed up against the corner of this car pretty aggressively. The film is pretty tore up, but the paint underneath is going to be perfectly fine. So we'll be able to strip the paint protection film, there won't be any damage underneath, and then we'll be able to reapply it a clean piece so he doesn't have to look at this eyesore, and then off he goes. It's way cheaper than a respray, and it's a lot less risky considering this color and how difficult it's going to be to match it. And the fact that if you want to have this resprayed, they'll have to drop the bumper, pull all the trim and accessory pieces out. It's a very expensive bumper to respray. It's not something that's going to be very cheap, so the paint protection film replacement is going to save him a ton of money in the short and long term. So what we're going to do here is peel off the film from this corner. That way you guys can see it doing its job in action. After we do that little demonstration, we're going to strip the whole thing, reapply it, and off he goes. And the cool thing about this is that even though the bumper kit for the C8 includes not only the body colored portion of the bumper, but all the individual trim pieces, we don't actually have to replace any of that, just the main portion of the bumper. So again, much more cost effective, much more risky fix, and in the end, he doesn't walk away with any damage to his car. So we're just going to use a little bit of heat here to soften up the film. We don't use any adhesive promoters to install, we use quality products, so it comes off nice and clean. If you're removing it properly, it should leave hopefully very little adhesive residue behind. And I'm just going to work it up to about this point right here under the headlight, because again, I'm just making this video to demonstrate to you guys that there's going to be no damage to this car. Check that out. So you can see all the damage is resting in the film right there. That would have absolutely taken all the paint off straight down to the plastic. Would have been a pretty nasty thing to fix. So here we go. And here you can see we've got no damage to the actual bumper of the car. This is exactly what we want to see, the paint protection film doing its job. So like I mentioned, I'm going to go ahead and strip the rest of the bumper. We'll clean this thing up, replace the film, and off he goes. No damage to the car, no headaches with resprays or disassembly. Everything's going to work out.